Hi guys, in this video, we're going to turn this boring table of data into this interactive dashboard where you can easily see what's going on with the data. Sounds like magic, right? And to do this, we're going to use just one tool, and that is ChatGPT. So you can have your data in any format. It can be an Excel file, a Google Sheet, or a CSV file. We're going to feed this data into ChatGPT and get it into a beautiful visual dashboard where you can easily get clear insights. So what are you waiting for? I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. So here's the data that I have. It's a sales data which we are going to use as an example. Now, if we directly add this large amount of data into ChatGPT and ask it to create a dashboard, it won't be able to give us accurate results as it can't process large amounts of data. So we're going to use a different approach. So instead of uploading all the data to ChatGPT, we are only going to ask it to create a HTML web page that will process our data directly into our web browser. Then it'll show us the results just like this. This keeps our data private, which means we don't have to give our whole data to ChatGPT, and it lets us work with larger data sets that would exceed ChatGPT's limits. So to create the HTML web page, we're going to upload a small sample of our data to ChatGPT and then ask it to come up with a plan on how to create a dashboard. So we're going to do this in just 3 parts. The first part is to prepare the sample data. To do that, we're going to do 2 steps. The first step is to download the data as a CSV file. So if you have Excel or Google Sheets, you can easily save the file as CSV. Just go to File, click Export, then select CSV and click Save. And your CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. Now let's go to step 2, which is to convert our CSV file into a JSON file. Before we ask ChatGPT to create the dashboard, we need to provide a small sample of our data in a structured format. While our data is currently in CSV format, we'll convert it into a JSON format, which is better suited for creating web-based dashboards. To convert the file into a JSON format, just go to Google. Now search for CSV to JSON converter. Click on the first link, and it will take you to this page. Here click CSV to JSON, then click Choose File, add your CSV file, and click Convert. As you can see, the file has been converted into JSON. Now click Download, and the JSON file will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, so now we have successfully converted the CSV file into a JSON format. Now that we have our data ready in JSON format, next, let's go to part 2, which is to generate ideas to create our dashboard. In this part, we'll get ChatGPT to suggest different ways we can visualize our data in dashboards like charts, graphs, and other visual elements that will help us understand our data better. So to get ideas from ChatGPT, first, we need to give a sample data to ChatGPT. And to do that, just copy part of the data from the JSON output here, which contains the column names and the values. Now, make sure to copy only the first few rows of data. So let's copy it and paste it to ChatGPT. Once you have pasted the sample data here, next, let's ask for ideas for our dashboard. To do that, just copy the first prompt given in the description below and paste it here. Here I've asked ChatGPT to understand the data structure and suggest 5 key data metrics to create the dashboard and explain each one in detail. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us 5 visualization metrics based on the data that we gave. It also suggests us the type of charts that we can use along with the detailed explanation for each one of them. If you want to change any visualization metric, you can directly ask ChatGPT to change it. So let's ask it to change the visual metric for the second one. And let's ask it to convert it into a pie chart. And as you can see, the visual type has been changed from a heat map to a pie chart. Okay, now that we've got the visual ideas, we can start creating the dashboard web page with these particular ideas. So next, let's go to the final part, which is to create the dashboard. To create the dashboard, we're going to do 3 simple steps. The first step is to ask ChatGPT to generate the HTML code for our dashboard. And to do that, just copy the second prompt from the description and paste it to ChatGPT. And you can see that it has generated the HTML code for the dashboard. Also, it has given us detailed descriptions on how to use it. Now, instead of manually adding this code to a HTML file, we can just ask ChatGPT to create a downloadable HTML file which we can just open and upload a JSON file. So let's go to step 2, which is to download the HTML file. Now to download it, just copy the third prompt from the description and add it to ChatGPT. And as you can see, it has given us a downloadable link for the HTML file. So just click on it and it will download to your computer. Once you have downloaded the HTML file, let's go to the final step, which is to create the dashboard by uploading the JSON file. And to create the dashboard, let's open the HTML file. And as you can see, we've got the HTML web page, which has the upload file option as mentioned in the prompt. Let's click choose file and upload the JSON file that we downloaded earlier. And you can see our sales dashboard has been created with the data that we provided with 5 different visuals. Now, if you want to change the design of your dashboard, simply tell ChatGPT what you have in mind and ask it to create a downloadable file with a new design. So just copy the 4th prompt in the description below and paste it in ChatGPT. Here I've asked it to change the dashboard style and adjust the width of the charts to 40% and give it as a HTML file. As you can see, we have got the file, so let's download it. And now if we upload the JSON file, you can see that we have a new style for our sales dashboard. Okay guys, before we move on, I want to quickly show you a tool that will be super useful if you're trying to rank your business website on Google. So check this out. I'll just go to this tool, enter the keywords that I want to rank for on Google, and then click create outline. Now the tool will create a blog outline that targets this keyword. Now if I click generate all, you can see that I get an SEO friendly blog with stunning images. Now if I click here, I can publish the blog on my website and start getting traffic from Google. It's that easy. So if you're looking to rank your website on Google, then you can grab this tool from GravityWrite.com at just $97 per year. Okay, so now that we've created our dashboard, but how do we confirm that the data present in the dashboard is based on the data that we provided? To verify that, let's compare the data in the dashboard with our original Excel data. Just look at the chart here. It says that the overall sales in the technology category is 836,000. Now let's confirm this with the Excel sheet. First, I'll filter the technology category. To do this, click on the category column, go to the data tab and click filter. Next, click here to open this drop down. Deselect everything, select technology and then click OK. As you can see, the technology category is now filtered. Next, I'm checking the sales column and the total sales value for technology is 836,000, which matches the chart. This confirms that the data in our dashboard matches the data in our Excel file. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can create interactive sales dashboard using ChatGPT. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you about GravityWrite, an AI tool that helps you write 3,000 plus words of well-researched blogs effortlessly. You can get it for 1 full year at just $97. Check out the link in the description for more details. And guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Website Learners for more cool videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.